on the basis of behavior or nature or variability. Based on behavior or nature or variability, cost can be classified into fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. Am I right? So, cost classification based on behavior, also called nature, also called variability. Broadly classified into what?
Fixed cost,
Fixed
variable
cost,
Variable cost,
variable
semi-variable
cost, and semi-variable.
Semi-variable cost.
With respect to fixed, variable, and semi-variable, definition part is important, not only for the inter, including for the final level. Based on that only, nowadays they are framing some questions. So you should be strong in that basic concept. Fixed cost represent what? Fixed cost represent total cost should remain constant. Total cost remain constant irrespective of the level of production. Total cost remain constant irrespective of level of production. Whereas per unit cost may varies. Per unit cost may varies. That is called fixed cost. Total cost remain constant irrespective of the level of production, whereas per unit cost varies mean that cost is called fixed cost. With respect to variable cost, total cost varies depending upon the volume of production. Total cost varies depending upon volume of production, whereas per unit cost remain constant. Per unit cost remain constant. Semi-variable cost represent partly fixed cost and partly variable cost. Nothing but neither fully fixed nor fully variable. That those costs are called what? Semi-variable cost. So, fixed cost and variable cost, the definition is based on total cost and per unit cost. Total cost remain constant mean that cost is called fixed cost.
Fixed cost.
Total cost varies mean that cost is called variable cost.
variable cost.
Based on what? Based on production. Based on production. Therefore, total cost remain constant irrespective of the level of production mean that is called fixed cost. Total cost varies depending upon volume of production mean that is called variable cost.
Variable cost.
Whereas per unit cost is ulta. With respect to fixed cost, per unit cost varies depending upon production quantity. Whereas in variable cost, per unit cost remain constant irrespective of the production quantity. Understood the speciality of the definition?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Variable cost is based on total cost and per unit cost. Now, it's very easy for the student. Total cost remain constant mean total cost, varies mean variable cost. That's the reason in examination, they are framing the question based on per unit cost basis. So, per unit cost, if the given in this question means the per unit cost remain constant mean that cost are called what? Variable cost.
Variable cost.
Okay. Based on that, you have to identify whether fixed cost or variable cost. Now, partly fixed and partly variable means what?
Semi-variable.
Semi-variable cost.
Semi-variable cost.
Partly is called semi-variable cost. Now, for example, variable cost. Raw material is an example for the variable cost. No?
Yes.
Raw material is the example. Suppose I am going to start my production. To produce one product, I have to spend 10 rupees worth of raw material. To produce one product, how much the cost I have to incur?
10
rupees.
In first month, I have produced only 1 unit. How much the cost of raw material I have incurred?
10 rupees.
10
Rupees I have to incur. Next month, I have produced 10 units. How much the cost I supposed to incur?
100.
100.
Rupees I have to incur. Third month, I have produced 100 units. How much the cost?
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 rupees I have to incur. Next month I have produced 1,000 quantity. How much the cost I have to incur?
10,000.
10,000.
rupees.
Listen here, Kanna. 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees are called total cost. Am I right or not?
Oh.
Total cost.
Yes, sir.
Total
Yes, sir.
cost varies
Yes, sir.
depending upon the volume of the production. No?
Yes, sir.
Total
Yes, sir.
cost varies. Total cost varies depending upon volume of production. That cost is called what?
Variable cost.
Variable cost.
Therefore, raw material form part of what? Variable cost.
Variable.
You know formula for per unit cost. Total cost divided by number of units is called per unit cost. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Total
sir.
cost for the first month 10, number of unit 1. Therefore, what could the per unit cost?
10
rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Second month, total cost is 100, number of unit produced 10. How much the per unit cost?
10
10
rupees.
rupees.
Next month,
10.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
The same.
10
10.
rupees.
10, same cost, no? Therefore,
Yes,
per unit cost remain constant. Per unit cost remain constant means that costs are called what?
Variable cost.
Variable cost.
Variable cost.
With respect to fixed cost, example for the fixed cost, they are paying rent to the company. Every month I have to pay 10,000 rupees rent, for example. First month, how many units I have produced?
1.
1 unit.
First month I have produced 1 unit. So how much rent I have to pay?
10,000.
10,000.
Second month I have produced 10 units. How much rent I have to pay?
10,000.
10,000.
Third month,
10,000.
10,000.
same 10,000?
Yeah.
No. Another 10,000, not same 10,000. Okay. Next month,
10,000.
Another 10,000.
Another 10,000.
Now we have become brilliant. No? So 10,000. Therefore, the 10,000 rupees is the total cost. Am I right? Irrespective of the production, I have to pay 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Therefore, my total cost remain constant mean that cost is called,
Fixed cost.
Fixed cost.
you know, the formula for per unit cost. Total cost would be number of units is equal to per unit cost. First month 10,000 rent, number of units produced 1. Therefore, what is the per unit cost?
10,000.
10,000.
Second month
1,000.
1,000.
1,000. Next,
100.
100.
next
10.
10.
10.
per unit cost. But per unit cost varies depending upon volume of production. No?
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes,
case
sir.
of fixed cost, per unit cost varies depending upon volume of production.
Wow.
Understood? Therefore, irrespective of the quantity, my cost remain constant mean that cost is called
Fixed cost.
Fixed cost.
whether 1 unit or 10 unit or 1 lakh unit, my cost remain constant, that cost is called fixed cost. Depending upon the volume of production, my cost also varies mean that cost is called,
Variable.
Variable cost.
Variable cost.
Variable cost.
whereas costs which are partly fixed in nature, partly variable nature means
Semi-variable cost.
Variable cost.
it's a partly fixed, partly variable. Okay, then it is called the what? Semi-variable.
Variable cost.
So sometime partly partly fixed in nature and partly variable in nature. Up to one stage fixed, thereafter varies. Depending upon that, it's varies mean then it is called one
Semi-variable.
Semi-variable.
Variable cost.
understood logic or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So example for semi-variable cost: telephone rent, landline telephone charges, electricity bill, whether I'm using it or not. Suppose 1 month I'm not in town, whether I have to pay electricity bill or not,
We have to pay.
telephone bill
Yes,
we have
sir.
to pay or not. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So minimum charges you are supposed to pay. That's a fixed in nature. Then depending upon the unit consumption, depending upon the calls I have made, I have to pay extra cost. Right? Therefore, the bill amount consists of partly fixed in nature, partly variable in
Partly
nature.
variable nature.
Therefore, it's called one.
Semi-variable cost.
Semi-variable cost.
So understood what is called fixed variable and semi-variable cost.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Based on that, nowadays they are framing the question based on the definition only. They are framing the question in costing. You should be strong in the theory part. Comfortable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. With respect to semi-variable cost, whenever you come across semi-variable cost consists of partly fixed and partly variable. So what is our duty? We have to segregate. Segregation of semi-variable cost. We have to segregate. With respect to segregation of semi-variable cost, there are 5 methods are there. This is also frequently asked a question. 5 methods of segregation of semi-variable cost. Graphical method, analytical method, graphical, analytical, high point, low point method, least square method, and comparison method. Graphical method, analytical method, high point, low point method, least square method, and comparison method. So many occasions in examination they ask segregation of semi-variable cost. We have to segregate how much of semi-variable cost will be there in this question. We have to segregate what could be the variable cost component and what could be the fixed cost component. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you tell the last point?
Comparison method, least square method, thereafter comparison method.
Thank you so much.